Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by horinga.co.in. Today we are going to discuss about Ester Industries, which is another small cap. Actually, it is trading at 39 rupees 95 paise today. Actually, today is October 16th when I'm making this video. So I've been thinking that I've been trying to cover all the stocks that are that are trading right now below 100 rupees. So most of the investors, who are new to this stock market and who have been in this market, those people they trade in for entering into the stock market, people look at this kind of stocks, and people who have been in this market, if they want to make it big with whatever small amount of capital they're having, so they come they focus on this kind of stocks, so below 100 rupees stocks. So I am trying to cover most of the times we don't see any technical analysis for this kind of thing. So I want to cover this area from the technical analysis point of so that whoever has been has been investing and whoever is going to invest will get benefit. I will cover all the stocks time to time. Uh, it's like every 15 or 20 days, like that I will try to cover the stock and then see if there is any new trend, then we will discuss. And if you have any queries, please feel free to contact me, to send me a mail. And I will be happy to reply to you all, based on your queries and all. Okay, coming back to Ester Industries stock technical analysis. I already opened the technical analysis chart here, and I'm seeing so you can see the Ester Industries chart. This is a month chart. Okay, I'm using a few technical indicators. First, I would like to introduce you to the technical indicators that I've been using here. I'm using Darvas. I'm using moving averages, zigzag, and super trend, and RSI, MACD, momentum. So like this, I'm using a few indicators which help me to do the technical analysis, and help me to analyze what is the upcoming trend of the stock. Okay, so now any of my analysis, any stock analysis, from my point, has to be like I try to uh, categorize, or I try to see that at that point of time whether that particular stock is suitable for day trading or swing trading or long term trading. Okay, this is my main objective at the moment. I am trying to cover these three categories, this particular point, because based on the trend, the stock, we can trade a particular stock, we can use a particular stock for day trading. And if sometimes it happens that we cannot use the same stock that we had used for day trading right now, for the same thing, but we can use the same stock for swing trading. That means you can invest and hold for at least, for 7 8 days or 9 days or something, and then take your money along with your profit. So such kind of thing. It's not that we can use all the stocks all the times for day trading, or swing trading, or for long term trading. So today, at this point of time, we try to analyze whether Ester Industries is suitable for day trading or swing trading or long term trading. Okay, so first I would like to focus on swing trading. So for that, I am going to see the day chart. Okay, this is the day chart for Ester Industries. Okay, the super trend has just started in Ester Industries. That is the reason why this particular stock price is rising. Actually, when this trend started, it started October 16th. October 16th, the price went. It started from 36 and went up to 39 rupees 95, nearly 40 rupees. Okay, so it is something like some 3 rupees increase. For this kind of stock, 3 rupees increase means, the stock price is um, 36 or 37, it is trading below 100 means people buy in lots, like in thousands, something in hundreds at least, 500, 800, 1000, like that, or more than that. Okay, so when you buy in hundreds and thousands, even a 20 rupee, a 20 pice change can give you a lot of profit. Okay, now here in this case, it is something like 3 rupees. 3 rupees increase, 3 rupees rise means you can make a lot of money here. And okay, coming back to the analysis, uh, Ester Industries, from swing trading point of view, has just completed its downturn, and just now, from October 16th onwards, it started the so I mean, its price started increasing. That we can see, that we can clearly see here. You can see the super trend indicator here, in green color. You can see the green color arrow. This is the super trend indicator, and it is clearly showing that the price is going to increase, and the trend is going to be positive, okay, for the next few days. That's what we can say at the moment. And if you see overall, in 2017, okay, if you look from 2017 January, what is happening to the stock, actually, whether the stock is trending, or I mean, if the stock price is increasing or decreasing. If you see from that angle, you can see clearly that the stock price has been decreasing. Okay, it is making new highs and new lows, but the price, overall is decreasing. And this is a very I mean, this is not advisable. If someone is going to invest in the long term, then I mean, who might have invested in January and holding the stock, definitely they might have lost so much money by this time. You can clearly see that. Now look at the RSI. RSI at the moment, the trend is increasing. Actually, it is about to reach the top. It is about to reach the top here, and this is a good sign for the next few days. That means the price is going to increase. This is an indication. Okay. Now we just can't confirm the trend just by looking at the one indicator, and we have to look at other indicators also. What other indicators are saying? Now look at the MACD. If you look at the MACD, the signal line is on top of the red line, and the signal line is you see the inclination of the signal line, the black line, it is moving up. Okay, so this also is telling the same thing what this RSI is telling. The price is going to increase. Okay, now look at the momentum. Even the momentum is okay. Even the momentum is also on is rising. The graph is the graph of the momentum chart is rising. So, and it is above the baseline 0. Okay, so all these three indicators, these three indicators are very popular indicators, and most of the people, most of the investors use these indicators for their guidance. And for the sake, even I am using, and for I mean, to analyze these stocks. So all these three indicators are telling the same thing, that the price is going to increase. I mean, for the next few days when it comes to Ester Industries. So this if you are investing today, then at least there is a possibility that you can hold it for the next few days, maybe this week, and after that you can sell it off. Okay, maximum 3-4 days, or that's it. I don't think I don't see much. You don't have. I mean, I don't see that you don't have to hold for so many days. Why? Because the overall trend is decreasing. So that means it makes the trend won't last long. This particular positive trend won't last long. That's what I'm seeing here. Okay, now this is for swing traders, and for day trading, let's see. I'm going to the 1 minute chart. You can normally, day traders, as I already told you, they check 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute. I mean, it depends upon the pace of your trading. Okay, now coming back to the chart, if you see the RSI here is like okay, it touches its peak, and it is touching the bottom. Okay, most of the time the RSI is below the is below the 50 line. Okay, I will draw the line for your understanding here. Okay, okay, now I will draw a 50 line here so that okay, see the 50 line here. Okay, take this is exactly, I mean, like between 20 and 50, you put a middle line which is exactly at the 50 thing. So now, if you look at the graph, uh, the major portion of the graph is either touching the baseline or below the baseline. Okay, at very few junctions, the graph has peaked and it went up the baseline. So it, I mean, if you see the overall trend, it looks like the volatility is there, but it's not that much. It's not that. I mean, it's not what we as a trader, we need a lot of volatility, and it is not reaching the stock is not performing as per the benchmark standard. It's okay, but not as per the expectations. So when you look at the MACD, if you the red line is on top of the signal line here. So I think the price is going down at the moment, and the momentum. Look at the momentum. This is very important. Look at the momentum. Most of the time, the graph is sticking to the baseline, which is not good. That means the volatility, whatever we had discussed here. I mean, here in RSI we discuss about the relative strength of the of the stock, whereas in the momentum actually we will see whether I mean we can understand looking at the momentum chart, the movement of the momentum chart, the graph will tell you whether the volatility is I mean, whether there are any spikes, which help you to do some day trading kind of thing or not. So here, if you just look at the momentum thing, it is just the graph is sleeping on the baseline. So that's it. I mean, just by looking at this part from here to here, we can conclude that this particular stock is not for day trading. Okay, now we will see whether Ester Industries is good for long-term investment or not. Okay, for that we have to go to the monthly chart. Okay, I am opening the monthly chart here. Now we have a lot of data from 2013 onwards to 2017. So from 2013, okay, we just see the trend of the stock. After 2013, it went down and it hit the bottom, and the lowest price is 7 rupees 28 price, and now it is trading at 39 rupees 95 paise. When it is trading at 7 rupees, so in 2013. There are so many stocks in the stock market which went beyond and which made, which double, triple, and more than 100%, 200% like that. Now this particular stock maximum it 73 on 4 on 5 times it went up. If you look at the current price, and the maximum it peaked at 110 at one point of time. That happened in 2015. After that, it is going down. It is going down, and still it is going down. The price is going down. So whoever has invested in this stock for a long period of time, and definitely they might have lost money. So it is at this moment. This stock is not recommended for long-term strategy. Okay, the maximum thing what you can do with Ester Industries is swing trading. This is judgment of this particular analysis, technical analysis. Okay guys, if you like this technical analysis, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.